this is what your job.
No. What day is it?
There you go. We're putting in the Onyx Shower, and then what are we going to do next? And Grace and her sister are going to sand the vanity and hopefully get it painted. And Jim Havner's right behind you there. He don't want me in no film, but he's going to help us put this all together because he's done this before and I have not. So you always need somebody that knows what they're doing to help you.
And this is what it looked before. And then we'll come back and do it after. And eventually, hopefully, we'll get one of them fancy things you call a toilet right there.
Okay. And then we can stay the night. Okay, let's get at her.
Let's do it. Let's get it done.
Gotta turn it on.
And then it's on.
Not seeing people that watch the videos.
It sounds like fun. That was amazing. Hey, get out there.
Hello. Ooh, pretty. It's so shiny. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
It'll look better when we get the plastic off of it.
So much easier to clean.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You need to make sure that valve is tight against that other so you can get it.
It sounds like fun. That was amazing. I think it's just for that. Yeah.
So can we take the plastic off yet or not?
No, I wouldn't until you paint it myself, but you do whatever you want.
Paint, okay. It looks super good. Nice.
Like it?
Do. Can't wait to use it. Looks good. Got plastic on there right now. We're gonna wait and take that off. We have to paint up above here before we take the plastic off and hang the doors, the shower doors.
And the cutters.
And I brought everything, Shane, just in case you didn't have it. I already brought my Pexco box with me too.
It sounds like fun. That was amazing.
Generally, don't get me on that tape.
Yeah, I think that's the
Take a picture of you, hide behind the throne.
Yeah.
I need it, dude.
You need what? Tank? Oh, it's right here.
Look at there. We're gonna have a toilet. Oh, Shane, you need to clean them now.
You need to clean, Grace.
No, I don't need to.
You got a dirty toilet.
Seriously.
Dirty mouth. Where's the tank at?
There's a tank.
I'm sitting on my butt. You expect me to, what do you want?
Yes, I want you to grab it.
He wants you to grab it. There's a pretty shower.
Okay.
These should be.
It sounds like fun. That was amazing.
We're figuring things out in this house that we are not.
All right, peoples. So we turned on the water, and we forgot to shut off a valve from the washing machine, and this is what happens.
He's testing.
My sister Dina, God love her, she almost went swimming. Yeah. So we just
Don't go in there.
Is he going to pee?
don't go in there.
He's already flushed it.
And I have my brother-in-law that is breaking in the toilet right now.
Yep.
Look, we got to the lagoon
Oh,
and
he's
see.
filling it clean up too.
Hey, he's gonna flush and watch everything go straight up.
No. He's already flushed it once.
Oh Lord have mercy. Yes, but this is what happens when you forget to shut off the washing machine. Is it safe to come in there now?
Jim, really? You actually had, I didn't feel ashamed that this is his house.
Why?
Yeah.
He's already to. I
told him
where
to.
was I headed to? Where was I headed, Shane?
To go outside to the bathroom. To
So
go
how
pee.
did it work? Did it work okay?
It works great.
Good power and all.
So that's number one, and that's number two.
Oh yeah.
But it hadn't even filled back full with water yet.
That thing works great, doesn't it?
So you need to put those, you're right, screw into that lid.
Oh, okay.
The black thing's right there.
Yeah,
Awesome.
this is just
So you
I
gotta adjust those.
Here, Jim. Well, the floor is partially cleaned now from the wall water. We've done some painting today. Dina, my sister, has been working on the guest bathroom vanity. It's still kind of wet, but it's kind of a country blue. And it's super pretty. We'll get that done. And then we have the master vanity that is still in works. There's the drawers for it.
It sounds like fun. That was amazing.
What was that beeping?
What are you doing?
Trying to cover up this vanity.
Ooh, that's pretty.
It's absorbing it so much that I'm having to touch it up more than I wanted to. You know?
Yeah. Sometimes things don't go as planned.
You see it starting to bleed through there again.
Hmm. I don't think I see it on this thing, honey.
No, you can see it right here.
I don't think it'll
She's
show
calling
up.
her Mary.
It's that cherry wood as well.
Mhm.
Well, what do you think? Should we go and flush the toilet again? I think we should. It sounds like fun. That was amazing.